close your eyes for a second. I want you to picture something. That sound. Click, clack, that satisfying, mechanical snap. That feeling of actually holding a tool, not just a fragile toy. If you are completely burnt out on these boring, fragile glass sandwiches we've been carrying around for the last decade, wake up. Because the rumor mill is spinning, and if the leaks are real, the AUG is respawning. Buckle up, the king of productivity is rumored to return in a full 5G avatar. Are you ready for the BlackBerry Bold 5G? Let's unbox the rumors and see if this beast is actually worth the hype. Let's dive in. Features of the BlackBerry Bold 5G 2026. Design and display. First, let's talk aesthetics, because in a sea of identical rectangles, this thing is a unicorn. BlackBerry is reportedly giving us exactly what we've been begging for. Down at the bottom, that glorious, physical QWERTY keyboard. And yes, the rumors say the RGB notification LED is back. That blinking light, that is pure, unadulterated nostalgia. You know exactly who's texting you without even touching your phone. But don't get it twisted, this isn't a relic from 2010. Sitting right above those keys is a rumored 4.65-inch Full HD Plus LCD. And here is the kicker, it's rocking a 120Hz refresh rate. Just imagine that combo. The tactile, clicky feedback of physical keys mixed with the buttery smoothness of a 120Hz display. That is a texture combination that's gonna set the tech world on fire. Camera setup. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's a BlackBerry, the camera is gonna be a potato. Stop right there. This time, BlackBerry isn't just coming for your Outlook emails, they're coming for your Instagram Reels. According to the leaks, we are looking at a massive 110 megapixel main sensor. Yeah, 110. You can crop in on those shots all day, and the details stay crisp. And for the front, a solid 15 megapixel shooter. So whether it's a high-stakes Zoom call or a quick selfie, we are finally seeing a BlackBerry with zero compromises. Performance. But is this just a nostalgia trip, or is there actual horsepower under the hood? Get this, the device is rumored to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. That is literal flagship territory. This means you could be typing a novel on the keyboard while crushing Call of Duty Mobile in the background without a single dropped frame. And obviously, it's a BlackBerry. So expect the latest Android OS, locked down tight with that legendary, ironclad BlackBerry security suite. Battery life. Now, let's talk about the one thing that gives us all anxiety, battery life. The math here is just beautiful. You have a relatively smaller screen paired with a massive 5700 mAh battery. Do the math, guys. This phone just won't die. We're talking an easy 2-day phone for the average user. Forget your charger at home. No sweat, this thing is built for endurance. Price and launch date. Finally, the million-dollar question, do I need to sell a kidney to buy this? This is the part that sounds too good to be true. Reports are hinting at a launch price right around $500. For a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and that iconic design, if that price holds up, this isn't just a good deal. It's the steal of the decade. As for a release date, we could see this dropping by the middle of this year. But I want to know what you think. Is the physical keyboard dead, or are you ready to ditch the glass slab and go back to the clicks? Let me know in the comments below.